Everyone thinks they know the market. But do you really know where to move?
Where? What about when to move? When?
It means nothing without the why.
Why? But how do you find who to follow?
Follow.
Wow, people follow me.
People. What about seeing the signals others might miss?
I just built an app for that.
Follow the signals and join millions of investors on eToro with an AI that helps you understand who, how, and why. eToro. Know better.